Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to find all your friend requests on Facebook. Whether you've received numerous friend requests or simply want to manage your pending requests, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Look for the Friend Requests label on the right side and click on See All. Step 3. On the new page, scroll down to view all your friend requests. Step 4. If you have more pending requests, click on See More to view them all. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and manage all your friend requests on Facebook. Keep your social circle organized and stay connected with the people you care about. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends who might also want to learn how to find all their friend requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.